need to hide your vision board for some time, please protect your vision board till it starts to get cemented. In the beginning, what do we do with cement always? We leave it for it to cool down, right? Once it's cool, nobody can do anything to it. But till it doesn't get cooled, it's extremely vulnerable. So is our goal. Neha Lodhya. What is Neha Lodhya asking? Ma'am, what to do when people make fun of your vision board? Can we have a vision board in our book? Absolutely, Neha. So one of the things about goal setting, very important to understand, is you must share it with people who support and inspire you, and you must hide it from people who do not encourage you. Okay, because right in the beginning, you know how when a plant is growing, we put one stick there so that it can wrap itself around, and when it becomes strong, we can remove the stick. But right when in the beginning, when it is weak, at that point, will we also put another plant there to grow along with it, or will do anything to sabotage it? No, right? When we have goals, they are very vulnerable in the beginning. Because of their vulnerability, who we share it with makes a lot of difference. Today, when I say a goal that I've already achieved, let's say I've already lost 7 kilos, no problem at all. I can share it because I have the power, because it's already achieved, right? But right in the beginning, if I shared it with someone and they said, "Ha, Puja, please, we've seen you, okay, eat Maggie every day, rubbish, you're not going to lose anything," I will get so demoralized. So if you need to hide your vision board for some time, please protect your vision board till it starts to get cemented. In the beginning, what do we do with cement always? We leave it for it to cool down, right? Once it's cool, nobody can do anything to it. But till it doesn't get cooled, it's extremely vulnerable. So is our goals. Please share with only the people that you trust with your dreams and desires, and do not share with people that you don't trust. Vivek Pasanta is asking how to overcome the negative thoughts in spite of doing many kinds of inner work like affirmations, journaling, gratitude. So Vivek Vasanta, the job of our mind is to protect us. So when it needs to protect us, what does it need to do? It needs to highlight all the negative things in our life, right? So this morning, one child had locked the room and slept off. My son's birthday, right? Yes, last night he celebrated it. One child had locked the room. Immediate thought was, I hope he's okay. That was what? An immediate negative thought, right? Now, I don't have to fix the thought. What do I have to fix is, what do I say to myself after I've had the negative thought? So what did I immediately say? God bless him. Puneet, can you get the door open? Let's check if that child is okay. Right? So that's what I will do. So I will have the negative thought and then I'll process it. Let's say my children are out somewhere and the driver's not picking up the phone and they are not picking up the phone. So by the time I call them, I'm like, where were you guys? Because I've already had every possible negative thought, right? But what I can do is, okay, Puja, give yourself 10 minutes. If you're not able to still reach them, then call up Puneet and see what we can do about it. Yeah. So I will calm myself down after a negative thought. Let's say I've set one big goal for the month of December, and next day is my delivery and I need to achieve that goal. Right? So I will keep having negative. What if I don't touch my goal tomorrow? What if this happens? What if this doesn't go right? What if somebody gets COVID? I had a massive physical event the other day, and of course one of my biggest negative thoughts or fear was, what if someone gets COVID from that? I will feel so responsible that I invited them. So I had to sit in my meditation and really communicate with God. God, I will have to trust and surrender to this, that please make sure that nothing happens. And by the grace of God, 2 weeks are over and we did not get one report of anybody getting COVID, which was really God's doing, if I may say so. But can you see how I am having negative thoughts, but I'm processing them with my intelligence? People who don't process their negative thoughts with their intelligence, then their intelligence is working against them. Some of us are using our intelligence to go even more negative. What if someone dies? What if someone, and we can take it to a place, that is called intelligence being used against us only. I want you to start to use your intelligence for you, not against you. Kali Yuga is what? Kali Yuga is basically people starting to process their emotions by the intelligence actually becoming negative. So if you can make your intelligence work for you rather than against you, you will be in so much better place. So today onwards, every time you have a negative thought, journal it. When you're saying no, you're doing journaling, write that down and ask yourself, what's my natural thought? My natural thought is death or losing or doubt or fear or something like that. What is my processed thought? When I use my intelligence, I say, you know what? There are people in this world who've achieved this, why will I not? And you recreate a new story and you keep saying that to yourself, and now you can calm yourself down. So learning to calm ourselves is the highest intelligence. Okay? If you can start to use your intelligence to calm yourself down, that's an intelligent person for me. For me, intelligence is not your memory of being able to tell me when the Panipat War 1 and 2 and 3 happened.